What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Twins Garage. As you guys can see, we have the CT5-V out today, and you've already seen the thumbnail and the title, so let's get right into it. We do have new wheels for the CT5-V, and here is the reveal. Let's take a look at these wheels. So here they are. Look incredible. We went with a gloss black design, as you can see there. A beautiful design from 720 form, and just look at that detail on the spokes and how nice it looks on this car. The gloss black complements the car so well. So getting into the design of the wheels, the design of these wheels is incredible because you can see they have so many spokes, but also the V logo in your wheel, which is funny because this is a CT5-V, and just the design of this wheel is so nice. We'll just give you a close-up there, and it really allows you to see that red brake caliper in the back, which is very nice as well. But this car just looks so much better already just on wheels. That concave look is what we were going for. As you can see in the center, it kind of drops in a little bit and it gives it that nice appearance, especially when you're looking from, you know, the outside in, straight at it. You can see there, the wheels look so nice, way better than the stock wheels. And we are going to lower the car, as you guys know by now. So that will drop it about an inch. So this car is just gonna look incredible lowered on these wheels. Just give you a side profile there of how the car looks on these wheels. It sits so much better already. Once that wheel gap's gone a little bit with the lowering springs, it's gonna be perfect. The fitment from the side is really nice as well. As you can see, it is just about flush with the fender. Hopefully you can see from this angle, but it's just about flush with the fender, which is how we personally want it. And anything that sticks out, in my personal opinion, doesn't look good on cars. But again, with that 1-inch drop, it is gonna sit absolutely perfect and still be, you know, able to drive it daily and not have to worry about scraping or anything. I'm gonna give you another close-up of the wheel in the shade here. You can see the design is very nice once again, and those calipers are very visible now. And I wouldn't go with any other color than gloss black for this car because it complements the accents. As you can see, the black wheels would complement the mirror caps and then obviously the window tint. But this car does have a lot of gloss black, as you can see on the side there and on the back. So it really complements the car well. Also, like I mentioned, we will be getting the lowering springs. So this car is going to sit perfect once we put those lowering springs on with these wheels. I can't wait for that. Stay tuned for that video if you guys are looking to see, because not many CT5Vs have been modified from what I've seen at least. So once we're done with this build, you guys will love it. And stay tuned for the lowering springs to go on. That will be pretty shortly, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, please drop a like. Also comment down below on what you think of the wheels and how they look on the car. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.